Meaning of humanitarianism.
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 Humanitarianism. Humanitarianism is a belief in promoting human welfare and relieving suffering through charitable activities and aid efforts. This concept emphasizes the value of human life and dignity, and aims to provide assistance to those who are in need, including refugees, victims of war or natural disasters, and marginalized groups. Humanitarian actions can include providing food and shelter, medical care, education, and advocacy for human rights. Humanitarianism seeks to foster compassion and empathy towards others and promote a sense of global responsibility to create a more just and equitable world for all.